Welcome back to Thrani, I'm Joe B. In this video, we'll be answering the question, how to safely get in and out of the shower with a vertical grab bar. Let's dive in. For patients who has balance deficit and recent falls the past 3 months, getting in and out of a walk-in shower can be challenging and may increase their risk of falls. In order to safely get in and out of a walk-in shower with the shower lip, environmental modifications like vertical grab bars can be drilled to the studs on either side of the shower stall entry. It should be 18 to 24 inches long, 1 to 1.5 inch in diameter, 1 to 1.5 inch between the bar and the wall, and 33 to 36 inches from the floor. A shower chair can also be placed in front of the shower head with the black rubber tips against the wall. The distance of the seat plate from the floor should be around 18 to 20 inches or higher if the patient demonstrates difficulty with chair rise. To facilitate scooting up to the center of the shower chair seat plate, a horizontal or diagonal grab bar can be placed at the center wall of the shower stall with lengths 24 to 32 inches, 1 to 1.5 inches in diameter, 1 to 1.5 inches between the handlebar and the wall, and 33 to 36 inches from the floor. To safely get in and out of the shower using a vertical grab bar, patient rotates the trunk to the left and uses both hands to hold on to the vertical grab bars. From there, the left and right foot will step over the shower stall lip and then rotate 90 degrees until the back of the thighs touches the edge of the seat plate. With the left hand still holding on to the grab bar, the patient then sits down and swivels both legs to the right. The horizontal or diagonal grab bars can be used so the patient can pull self to the center seat plate of the shower chair. Patient scoots to the edge of the seat plate, then swivels both legs to the left. Patient then pulls to stand using the vertical grab bar on the left-hand side. From there, the patient rotates 90 degrees to the left and steps out of the shower stall, grasping the nearby assistive device like a walker or a cane. If you like this video, please like, share, and comment. And for more therapy animations, please subscribe to Thrani.